Over 35 million people around the globe have already embraced the digital nomad lifestyle. Why not join them? Whether you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind or simply crave more adventure in your life, this video will show you how to transition from a traditional job to living and working anywhere in the world. Let's understand what being a digital nomad means. A digital nomad is someone who works remotely using technology, allowing them to live and travel wherever they want. Imagine working from a beach in Bali one month and a cafe in Paris the next. Sounds amazing, right? But it's not just about the glamour. It requires planning and discipline. The shift to becoming a digital nomad involves more than just changing locations. Before you start packing your bags, assess your current situation. Start by assessing your current workload and client base. Are your clients open to remote collaboration? Communicate your intentions clearly and reassure them of your continued dedication to quality and deadlines. Ask yourself, do I have a job that can be done remotely? Do I have long-term clients? Do I have the necessary skills for remote work? Am I financially stable to support myself during the transition? If your current job isn't remote, look into freelance opportunities, remote positions, or starting your own online business. Next, evaluate your technical setup. Ensure you have reliable equipment, a robust laptop, secure internet connection, and essential software for remote work. It's crucial to maintain seamless communication and project management. Establishing a remote work routine is key to success. Define your work hours beforehand, taking into account different time zones if working with international clients. Allocate time for focused work sessions and schedule breaks to recharge and explore your new surroundings. As a freelancer, you might already master different skills, but some skills will require more often when you are not on your desk. You need to plan things accordingly. Remote work often requires skills like digital communication, proficiency in email, chat apps, and video conferencing, time management, the ability to manage your schedule while traveling. Missing deadlines is one of the biggest problems for digital nomads. Tech savviness, being comfortable with online tools and software. Project management tools can save you a lot of time as a digital nomad. Task management. Stay organized with task management tools like Trello or Asana to track projects and deadlines. Enjoy flexibility while maintaining professionalism, a balance that defines the digital nomad lifestyle. Having long-term clients is a blessing, but you always need to find new clients who can support your expenses. Some freelancers are relying only on one or few clients and their lifestyle is dependent on them, but if those clients leave them, then they cannot afford the digital nomad lifestyle. So, always keep searching for remote jobs. Here are some platforms where you can find remote work: Upwork and Fiverr. As a freelancer, you might already be familiar with these platforms, or you might even be actively working on them. These platforms are ideal for anyone seeking diverse project opportunities and client engagements. Each of these platforms has helped thousands of people find remote work. Remote.co. It's a fantastic site where you can find remote work in lots of different industries. We work remotely. This one's huge. It's like a big community for remote workers with tons of job listings. FlexJobs. They've got a wide variety of remote job listings, but keep in mind, you'll need a subscription to access them. Create a strong resume and portfolio that highlights your remote work skills and experience. Tailor your applications to show employers that you can thrive in a remote setting. Networking is super important in the remote job market. It's often not just about what you know, but who you know. If you're a freelancer who hasn't explored these platforms yet, here's how to kickstart your networking. LinkedIn. Start by updating your profile to showcase your remote work skills and experiences. Join groups related to remote work and get involved in discussions. Remote work communities. Join online communities like Facebook groups, subreddits, or Slack channels dedicated to remote workers. Attend virtual conferences and webinars. These events are awesome for learning new stuff and connecting with potential employers or people you can collaborate with. Financial stability is crucial for digital nomads. But the good news is that you can always find affordable solutions wherever you are living. Focus on saving money. Build an emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Budgeting. Create a budget that includes travel, accommodation, and daily living expenses. Managing payments. Set up online banking and ensure you have a reliable way to receive payments from clients or employers. Use financial apps to keep track of your income and expenses. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help you monitor your finances in real time. Tips for saving money. While traveling, choose budget-friendly destinations. Places with a lower cost of living can stretch your budget further. Dubai is just one example. Many amazing places offer the perfect blend of affordability and adventure. Cook at home. You can save money by preparing your own meals. Who says a digital nomad can't be a chef on the go? Hop on public transit. It's usually cheaper than taxis or renting a car. Handling taxes and banking as a digital nomad. Understanding your tax obligations is crucial. Consult a tax advisor who specializes in digital nomad taxes to ensure compliance. For banking, use international banks or online banking services that offer low fees and easy access to your money globally. One of the reasons for being a digital nomad is the desire to travel around the world. As of 2024, 66 countries are offering digital nomad visas. Consider the following while choosing your destination. Cost of living. Some countries are more affordable than others. Internet connectivity. Reliable internet is a must for remote work. Visa requirements. Research if you need a visa and how long you can stay. Community. Some places have vibrant digital nomad communities, which can help you settle in. Finding affordable accommodation is next-level skill. Majority of people think that they always see the expensive places while traveling to other countries, but that's not the case. You can plan your accommodation in advance and get cheaper offers. Options include Airbnb, great for short-term stays. Agoda, Booking.com, co-living spaces, offer accommodation and co-working facilities. Hostels, budget-friendly and social. Many countries now offer digital nomad visas. Here's how to apply. 1. Research. Find out which countries offer digital nomad visas. 2. Gather documents. Common requirements include proof of income, health insurance, and a valid passport. 3. Complete application. Fill out the visa application form, usually available online. 4. Submit. Submit your application and wait for approval. 5. Plan your move. Once approved, make travel arrangements. Joining digital nomad communities can provide support and networking opportunities. Check out Facebook groups. Many cities have groups for digital nomads. Meetup, find and join events. Co-working spaces, great for meeting fellow nomads and staying productive. While traveling the world, you need to have a dedicated workspace. You can either build your home office or join a co-working space. Setting up a home office specifically designed for work can significantly improve your productivity and create a professional atmosphere. Your workspace should inspire you. Personalize it with items that motivate you, like plants, artwork, or photos. Ensure it's well lit and free from distractions. Staying organized is key. Use tools like Trello or Asana for project management, Google Calendar for scheduling, Slack for communication, time trackers to manage your work hours. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to becoming a digital nomad. With careful planning and determination, you can embrace the freedom and adventure that comes with the digital nomad lifestyle. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into the essentials every digital nomad needs. From tools and gear to stay connected and productive, we'll review all the must-have items for your journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming tips and recommendations.